Hi, hello. For the crochet project I'm going to be working on today, I'll be using my recycled cotton yarn and my 3.5 millimeter hook. This is what I'll be making. It's a very easy project, even for beginners, and it is a lovely gift for anyone who is a space lover, big or small, no matter. I hope you'll enjoy it and you'll watch until the end. Because I would like to keep this video shorter than my previous one, I have already made the base of this Kindle sleeve, and you already know how to make this from my at least 3 previous videos. I've made this exact stitch and it's very easy. So for this Kindle sleeve, you will have to chain 52. Then you will have to work slip stitches on each row, because each row will start with a chain 1 or 3 depending on the row you're at. And for the length of it, we are going to have 12 single crochet rounds and 11 double crochet rounds. It's very easy, and I'm going to link the other videos where I made this stitch so that you will learn how to do it. The difference is that on this last single crochet row on the back side, so here is where I have all the new rows starting, you can see. And when you are gonna work on it like this, just in the middle where you're gonna have your button, you will chain 15. You will not do any single crochets here. Chain 15 and then go back and finish the row. And at the end, when you're gonna put the button, it's gonna be here. I have also made all the planets already because they are quite simple and they are just circles. I have on my channel as well how to make a circle if you don't know. This one is Mars. It's a chain 2, single crochet 6 times in the second chain, and then increase in all the 6 stitches, so it's 12. These ones have one more row added to them, which is single crochet 1 increase, single crochet 1 increase, and this one has one more row on top of this, 2 single crochet increase, 2 single crochet increase. For Mars and for Earth, you add some splashes of orange and green. For Jupiter, you just add some lines to make it look like that. And for Saturn, we are gonna embroider a ring when we are gonna sew it onto the body. Now, I want to show you how we make the rocket, because I don't have any videos where I make any rockets.